Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? It's a really great news for all of you, my brothers. This time, the BTT price is decreased now. It's a really great news, but I will give you guarantee, my brother. To this time, this is not a great news, and absolutely everybody know this is when the coin is dumped down. So this is bad news, my brother. Bad news. Why this is bad news? Absolutely, I'm a holder of BTT holder, my brother, BTT coin. But definitely, my friend, I'm so happy in this time because, my brother, I know today will wake up. And absolutely, if you're doing these two mistakes, investing in those days, selling in those days, so you are completely and the lost. I will give you guarantee, my brother, to if you don't do this mistake, you will be get a very good profit now. And let's see, my brother. First of all, I will give you update, and after that, my brother, we talk about the moves of my friend BTT. Today will moving upward or dumps down. This time you can see the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occurred completely negative now, and that's mean to the coin is completely and lost now. The market rank, if we check out, my friend, this time, so 61, and you can see here, my friend, the cap, the 24-hour volume, everything, my friend, you can see here is on the screen. So my brother, if we check out this in only the USD price 0.00229 USD dollar, BTC price 0. I think 60 and 7 USD dollar. Oh sorry, BTC. And this time if we check out, my friend, the last 7 days change occur, so minus 15.41%, they are dumps down, and the price come to 0.002726 USD dollar. Alright, my friends, this time you can see the coin is completely dumps down. So that's mean, brothers, to after a dumps, every coin will take up. So I hope, my brothers, they will move upward. But this time you can see they will dumps down. So at the end of month, just only there is a chance, so they will wake up. I will clearly tell you, my brothers, to at the end of month they will move upward. So if you invest at the end of month, so I hope they will give you a very good profit. When the coin is starting moving upward, then you need to invest. Otherwise, my friend, don't invest now. I hope they will give you a profit, my brothers. Kindly you need to like this video and subscribe this channel. Absolutely, a basic channel will guide you, update you, and my opinion I already shared it. To please hold and those days and wait for the end of month. See you next time, BTT holder. Hope you understand. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.